I just became a real estate agent, and here today I'm at a local neighborhood. So I decided to door knock today and see how many leads I could generate. I did not choose this neighborhood with any specifics. I only came over here because I'm hosting an open house with a fellow agent. So I was like, why can't I just wake up early and door knock some of these homes to tell them to promote the open house and ask them if they know anybody that is willing or wanting to sell or buy. Hopefully we come out with some leads or some help, and yeah, stick tuned to the end to see my results. Hey guys, this is the 1 hour mark. I started at 10, now it's 11. I only passed 20 houses, I believe. Honestly, I believe I'm slacking. I should be able to go to like 30 in an hour, but I have like 3 leads from those houses. Honestly, pretty all right, but I am struggling with my routine, my speech. I need to practice on that. When you do things like this, door knocking, you should always be polite. Does not matter if they're mean to you, and just be polite, because almost all these houses have cameras. You're supervised all the time, and if something goes wrong, those cameras might save your life or prevent something. So always be nice. Don't be a douche. That's all I gotta say. Also, don't be flustered or frustrated when you're talking to people. Honestly, you have to communicate what you're trying to say, what you're trying to do, what you're trying to convey to people clearly as possible, and just do your best. Honestly, my time's very limited. I'm only gonna be here doing this for 2 hours till my open house, but hopefully we find more leads. Let's go. Now I'm backtracking to locations that are closer to my open house, because now I'm just poking out really far where people might not even come visit. If there's a house like right behind you, you'd of course go visit that one because you're super close. There's a higher probability that people over there will come visit my house than people over behind me. So hopefully we have better luck. The things I brought with me for this door knocking adventure, let's say, was a piece of paper telling me all the information of the property, where the address, square footage, year built, and a notepad to write people's names, phone numbers, and emails, and pen and paper. Yeah. Just pens too, and that's pretty much it. Tell me in the comments below if I should have brought anything else. I did want to bring business cards so people could get my business card, but sadly they didn't want to print out, so they didn't bring them. While door knocking, I found this. You already know what Jose looking at, man. Look at that. Clothing, bro. I'm thinking about risking it all, you know. They have some gloves, if you can see that. That's a glove, but I'm not gonna get it. It's somebody's stuff. And there's a towel, so I'm not grabbing that for right now. I'm gonna grab it when we're done, and if they're still there, gonna see if they got the Louis Vuitton in there, you know. Somebody's dog trying to kill me. Hey guys, now it's 1. My open house is about to start in an hour, so for the moment I just want to spectate or like look what they have around the neighborhood, like this park, this basketball courts behind me, and the swimming pool behind me, to like tell people there's activities near their future house they might buy, and be more informative about the neighborhood. Like when I was door knocking, I asked people, what do you like most about your neighborhood? Most people said the quietness, the community, and their neighbors, so, and the park. So I came here to check out what they got. They have some construction, and notice they have a electric center. What's it called? Electric place for electricity, and a random vacant, I believe, building. I thought that was a school, but right now I should be able to, not be able to, but start preparing for the open house. Overall, I was door knocking for around 3 hours and only got 4 leads out of it. Honestly, it was decent. I believe, I do not know. This is my first time ever door knocking. I was cold for a good hour and 30. Nobody wanted to talk to me because they thought I was soliciting. They thought I was selling them something, but I was just telling them there's an open house. But I believe that close to the property was better, but honestly I don't think so. Everyone said like, oh yeah, I know the property, I know the property. I'm like, maybe I should have gotten a little bit more farther, more back. I went more wide, if you know what I mean, more to the left than right. Maybe I should have gotten more east. I mean, where I'm at is east, but maybe I should have gotten a little bit more farther from the property for people that really don't know what's popping or what's happening. That's the only caveat problem I found in my door knocking. But please tell me in the comments below if you think I could do something better or I missed something. I will try to record the open house a little bit. I do not know if I have permission. I might ask, but yeah, hopefully it's a hit. Hey guys, finished the open house, and what can I say? It was underwhelming, I would say. Before the open house, I put around 5 open house signs around the neighborhood to tell everybody we're having an open house at this time to this time. And it was kind of weird. I had my business suit, I guess, and I was just there outside of the streets putting some signs on the road. I'm like, come to my open house. But it was an experience. When entering the house, I made sure all the lights were on and all the windows were uncovered so you could see everything through the window. Set up a station where all your documents are there, where people should sign up, all your business cards, all your information, all the seller's disclosure, all the stats, let's say, about the house in a table, nice and organized. And then you just have to wait till people to come in. But sadly, when we were doing our open house, nobody came. Not even the people that I door knocked to. And not even the people that promised me they were going to go. Heartbroken. Our open house lasted for 2 hours, and those 2 hours, I was just playing chess on my phone. While I was talking to another agent I was supposed to shadow that day. The agent that I was shadowing for that day said on his whole career, he has never had an open house that no one has come and visit. Not even an agent. And I was like, dang. Is that really, am I bad luck? I don't know. Nonetheless, at least I learned how to set up an open house and be prepared. And when I was waiting, I did practice what I was gonna say to people that came in, but no one came. Things happen, and hopefully our next open house, there's at least one person. In the end, I can't really complain. I got 4 leads out of 3 hours of door knocking. Not that bad. I really want to do better at door knocking and open housing, I guess, hosting an open house next time. Please tell me in the comments below what I should have done better or your thoughts of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and have a great one. Bye.